What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, right about now, my people, you know, so we'd have the talk where we say Jamaica gone to the dog, my people. Jamaica done. Jamaica mash up, my people, because some things that we see are happening in Jamaica, my people, in recent times. You know what I mean? We have to really look into things and say, yo, Jamaica done on a real level. But the talk when we say Jamaica gone to the dogs, my people, right now, me I tell us say Jamaica gone, the past dog, you know. He gone to the mongrel, he gone to the puppy, he gone to the Rottweiler, he gone to every type of dog you can think of, my people. You understand? Yeah, man, every kind you can think of. Even the little street one them, we then take on care gone to Canada, we put on clothes on them now, my people. He gone to every kind of dog now. Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking boss. Because right now, my viewers and subscribers, and based on an article when I say publicized by one of Jamaica popular, you know what I mean, media site out there, my people. And it is where them say a young homeless man crying out, my people, bawling out. You understand? Because I say 5 man recently, my people, 5 men recently in a Jamaica hold him up at gunpoint, my people, and carry him to a location and put on a rod pan him. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Attack. Cheese and peace. Some people, this homeless man now, Zane, young boy, so basically him homeless because of what happened to him from a young age, long time. The people him up on the street, he may normally go in at the market and thing and hustle. He may normally go on local place and do him local thing, my people, you understand. Cut yard, do this, do that, my viewers and subscribers, local painting same way. But him said now like things kind of stay away, things that go on too tough for my people, but him always a try. You understand? Very talented youth based on where other people are set up. So him say him there at a section over in St. Catherine with viewers and subscribers. When a grey car pull up, you understand? And him say glass wind down and like in that see a man in the car and that say, yo, big $1,000 no. And him say the man start like ask him a few questions with people and he say by the time if it's a such and such, it's a gun that the man pine pan him and say, yo, get in the car. See? Him say I think about him life people, so him go inside of the car same time, you understand? And when him go in the car, him say the man came to one dirt road over there, you know, in a St. Catherine, my people. And when he go over there, I had a man that roll up, my people. You understand? So basically, he must say, based on what he must say, my people, 5 of them, and the 5 of them take turn, my people. You understand? During the period of an hour, him say, and throw a rod pan him, mash him up. You understand? Mash him up, my people. Him say right now, when him want to use a pit, him can't use it good, my people. You understand? There's nothing where he can do good right now because be a pain him a feel toward them and they mash him up. Him saying even can't sit down good. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So you see them all got dirty thinking, bad man, say them a bad man and gunman sin thing, my people. No, you see what them really depend? A gun them using, my people. And wall up they look homeless youth, you know. You understand, people on the street based on what he must say, it is alleged what he must say, my people. You understand? And then show a fling rod on him. So a lady who them say is an ex-police, my people, who know him very good and thing. Basically she that try to assist him sometime, give him a little thing, a little change, and show him eat little food. And she say him shortly after that happened, him do call her and I explain to her what went down, what occurred with people, and I make him she know this and know that, and she managed to carry him to the hospital and thing, you understand, and kinda you get what me I say, to check up on him and them do what them have to do, and even she says she feel away and she can't believe say that this Jamaica really come to my people, and we have to look into it and I say, yo, on a real level my people, 5 of them, I look at homeless man in the street, a beg your thing. And this I want to do to him. Me I telling you, you see, uno piece of consumption, ransumption, thinking, same thing. You see, all uno, honestly, man, me I tell you see, we uno forget and not normal, you know, because you see, want to do to that local homeless, you there, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. How you feeling now, self now. Honestly, and I never seen thing that you see in people enough time in a case when them do things like that, they do it for fun sometimes, but I could narcissist thinking same thing them. You understand? I never seen a party now, enough of them popping champagne. You understand? About 5 lamp pile around them same way. You get what me I say? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. 5 uno take turn. And I ramp up in a pit. I ramp up in a pit. I say, if you want cut out and tuck down in the throat hole and make you near me same way. Remember me telling that, I say they want somebody cut you out, you understand, and push it down in the throat and force it up in near me no one thing. Remember me tell you, same rod you want to use and put pan the homeless man. Just because the man beg on a Gran. And honestly, my viewers and subscribers, there's a lot of people at Jamaica go through it. You would cry out him and say, yo, him up on the street, my people. Things don't happen on the street because on the street him about himself and him years on the street are the worst disaster ever took him, my people. You understand? Because 5 this time, you know. So even if things don't happen where one would manage to do something like this to him, people, you must say right now 5 of them. You get what I say? And a lot of our homeless people, I mean at Jamaica, my people, we sit on the street. Then go through them something here. You understand? Them go through them something here. A lot of top man trick them, give them money and lead them into certain things with viewers and subscribers. A lot of them where you see in the street. You get what I say? Yeah man, you have some wicked and cruel same thing in my people. When I see them bossy in them big ride and act hype and this and that, my people. And them are do some of the most wicked and cruelest thing upon God land. You get what I say? Big old jacket, briefcase in the hand, my people, and big old felt hat on head. But you see, when I see the look of same thing, them, wish we not see them, because them a hide my people. And when them check in at them place and do that and that, because them a use money, you see it, and them lead the local youth, them local boy, them off of the street, and them fling rod and throw upon them and dash upon them, my people. See, that's why someday apart, I say some of them local youth up on the street, lie down, can't move, can't walk, can't say, I what do him? Make him a lie down, say things, say, yo, him sick, this natural sick, my people. I rod them, put pan him and broke him up and mash him up. You understand? Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. But one thing we have to tell all of uno same thing. You understand? A straight attack for uno. Every one of uno. And them wickedness I wanna grow and I do. Time I go catch up on. Attack, attack, attack. No joke, no leniency, no play with the attack, man. I say all of the wickedness them wanna grow and I do. See? And all of them rather wanna think you can dash pan the local homeless youth them. Remember me telling you, one day soon somebody go catch you out. You me say somebody go wall you know, somebody go catch you know. And the same rather wanna take and a dash there and a fling it there pan the local homeless youth them a go take you out and tuck you down in the throat. Remember me telling that. You're not too wicked, cruel, you're not too look the man, poor look homeless youth people. If you live pan pill now, if you cleanse and clean out himself. Because they like them legal type of things now, you know. All type of consumption and ramsumption. It come like some of them something or something where they're in a prison for long. Sometimes, you know, my people, you understand? But if no, some I can't believe this, man. When they say this story, my viewers and subscribers, me have to think and I wonder and I say, yo, this really real? 5 men. 5 of them in my people. So basically one do the trick. Lead them people, him done plan everything already. Maybe him see him there already and say, no, so we got trick. Or maybe this youth and now the local location away in there are somewhere where always they understand and them plan for my people. They make the other one them a wait pan the spot. Them done plan for him. Them don't know the tricks. Them don't know them are gonna do my people. And him just take the bait because him don't know them a plan inside. You understand? Him desperate my people and once and him say this trap. Him think about him life people, him jumping at the car base and what him say. And at that them want and them carry him on the trap my people. And him said during the period of 1 hour. So basically each one take 20 minutes in a people if you calculate it. 5 of them during the period of 1 hour. You understand? So each one take 20 odd minutes basically also. You know what I mean? How much minute my people? 5 of them. So in 60 minutes make an hour base him say an hour. You get me? And them a put it on him, So over 12 minutes then, right? And them a put it on him and a beat it. Why? Mr. People, this world, man, this world, our Jamaica, our Jamaica, our beautiful island, our beautiful country. We have some same thing done there for deal with my people, but only Jah sees and he knows. My people, big up on yourself, and more love, more respect and more blessings, and thanks to the love my people, thanks to the support. And you say for them thinking same thing, yeah, as me telling you, on how the same way, because police now have no clue who no, police now know no camera no catching no, but you say for no same thing, remember me telling you, man, time I go catch up on you. Time I go catch up on you. Because the first thing I do it, you know, and them same thing on you love the back part there. Yeah man, you love the toilet, you love in the pit. You love plunge and dig up the pit. You understand? And near me out the pit too. You love it, but remember me telling you, time I go catch up on you. See? Time I go catch up on you. If you wanna do, mash up a look at your back part. Charger sees, charger knows. Attack them NEWLINK. Attack. Oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK.